Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your Dell PC. We'll cover everything from initial setup to optimizing your gameplay. Fortnite is a fantastic battle royale game, combining shooting with creative building. To get started, your Dell PC should meet certain specifications, including at least 8 GB of RAM and a decent processor. A stable internet connection, ideally 25 megabits per second or more, is also crucial for smooth online play. Once you've confirmed your Dell PC meets the requirements, the next step is installation. Head over to the Epic Games official website and download their game launcher. This small program is your gateway to Fortnite. After downloading, run the installer and follow the simple instructions to get the launcher set up. Once the launcher is installed, open it up, search for Fortnite in the store, and hit the install button to begin downloading the game files. It's a straightforward process. To ensure the best possible experience on your Dell PC, optimizing performance is key. Start by adjusting Fortnite's in-game graphics settings. Lowering presets like shadows, textures, and view distance can significantly boost your frame rate. Also, make sure your graphics drivers are always up to date. This is vital for game compatibility and performance. Finally, close any applications running in the background that you don't need, as they can consume valuable system resources. Now you're ready to jump into the action. Launch Fortnite, create your Epic Games account if you haven't already, and consider playing through the tutorial to learn the basics. Spend some time in different game modes to get a feel for the controls and mechanics. Remember, practice makes perfect, especially with building and combat. Don't be afraid to experiment with different strategies. Have fun exploring the island and battling it out to be the last one standing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.